Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Zero SRF Superbike. This all-electric motorcycle just arrived with just 29,000 miles on the motor. Beautiful condition, twin discs up front, 140 foot-pounds of torque. You talk about acceleration. This thing is a monster. Come on by, make your electric superbike dreams come true for just $12,990. That's about $8,000 off the new price. Still under warranty for the batteries for another 3 years. Automatic transmission, just turn the throttle and go. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.